In the heart of Balaka district in Malawi stands a beacon of faith, hope and service, St. Louis Montfort Parish. Established in 1961, this parish has become more than just a place of worship. It is a pillar of spiritual growth, social support and communal unity. Upon entering St. Louis Montfort Church, one is immediately struck by its unique architecture, a harmonious blend of modernity and tradition. The church is divided into 5 sections, each space meticulously crafted to create a sacred atmosphere. The central area, with its spacious and comfortable seating, welcomes the congregation to gather in peace. At the front of the church, the altar stands proudly, drawing attention. At the altar, a grand painting depicts the apostles and disciples of the Lord Jesus Christ, alongside images of the Pope, Bishop, priests, sisters, and lay Christians who have made significant contributions to the church. These figures serve as a constant reminder of the legacy of faith and dedication that continues to inspire the parish community. To the right of the altar, there is a tabernacle adorned with a symbol of Jesus Christ as the food of life, serving as a focal point for reflection and devotion. On the left, there is a space dedicated to the sacraments of baptism, a place where faith is deepened and lives are spiritually renewed. 2 statues stand on the side of the altar. On the left, St. Joseph is carrying the infant Jesus, and on the right, the Virgin Mary is holding the Christ child. These statues, along with the vibrant paintings, fill the altar with a sense of worship, celebrating the rich heritage of the Catholic Church. For over 6 decades, St. Louis Montfort Parish has been a guiding light to Balaka, nurturing the souls of its members and enriching the lives of all who come into its fold. As it continues to grow and evolve, the parish remains steadfast in its mission to serve God and the people, a true pillar of strength in the heart of Malawi. St. Louis Montfort Parish, located in the Diocese of Mangochi, is not just a church, it is a living statement to the power of faith, community, and service.